Dwi'n gwybod pryd ych chi. Elis yr ysgwrn.
Os ydy'r barl sy'n dwyn y ffug enw Fleur de Lis yn bresennol, safed ar ei draed.
Os bu rai?
Fydd y gyd drosog i ni brodi, Elsie.
Dy gerddi di'r fatha dy ddebau ti, Elis. Ar wasgar am obman. Mi allai dy flerwch di gostio'r gystadleuaeth i ti.
I'm here on behalf of the War Office.
Sy'n dwyn y ffug enw Fleur de Lis.
He is a farmer. We can't do without him. Ti'n real cachgi, Elsid.
So I don't think I could kill anyone.
So, you would stand back and watch your family being murdered by Germans, would you?
Ignorant Welsh peasant!
Mi dwi eisiau mynd at y di Elis ddim.
J.J. Williams isio dy gadeirio di dyn a'ch di o gora. It's a poem, sir. They won't accept it if it's late. You've got to send it immediately.
Yn bresennol.
The 38th Welsh Division will have the honour to be in the front line at the big battle of the war.